Afternoon delight.
Oh, yes.
What? That's what Ron Burgundy would say if he was eating this too. Are you looking for a caffeine drink to pick you up in the afternoon and don't want to spend $5, $6 at your local coffee store? Well, you came to the right place because I'm going to tell you all about Korean instant coffee mix that is so good and doesn't hurt your wallet. So in addition to this delicious hot cup of coffee, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious instant iced coffee that you could have in like nanoseconds. And also, ta-da, vanilla ice cream affogato. It's a dessert coffee that everyone should have. Make sure to watch to the end for this bonus recipe, this slushy coffee drink that you could easily make at home. Yes, both your wallet and belly will thank you. What is in this Korean instant coffee package? Look at that. Each pouch is only 53 calories and it even has 1 gram of protein and 6 grams of sugar. That's not too bad for an afternoon pick-me-up, yummy, sweet coffee drink. You press it and it's so convenient. Keep it upright in your pantry and you just take out 1 stick at a time. So what's in it? Coffee crystals with sugar and non-dairy cream powder. I always like to hold the tip like here and I go so that everything falls below. This is right here, easy cut. So you just tear it open from the top, pour it in a cup, and we're gonna add 3 ounces of hot water. So if you add more, it'll be less strong. So if you prefer less strong, add more. Oh yeah. Just like the perfect amount of sweetness and a little bit of cream and that caffeine. I'm so awake. Even though it says mocha on the box, it does not taste like mocha coffee. It tastes just like smooth regular coffee. This is not a mocha flavored coffee. Some of you may already know, but Koreans are big coffee drinkers. And we also love our super gourmet coffee, but we also love instant coffee. We call that daebang coffee. It's meant to be very strong, sweet, and light, but not too sweet. You know, Koreans, we don't like everything really sweet, just slightly sweet, and also just a little bit. So we're not drinking like 12 ounces of coffee here. And these are sticks that you carry with you in your purse, leave it at your office or in your car, so it is always ready for you. Now, there's some imitations out there. Make sure you get the Korean brand Maxim coffee. It's worth it. And this box has 100 sticks. And I bought this on sale for like 19 bucks or something like that. Now, if you don't live near a Korean market, you could order this online and I'll have the product link in the description box below. Yes, these main characters from Squid Game are drinking instant coffee, aka daebang coffee. Yes, in anticipation of Squid Game Season 2, check out my video on Squid Game All Foods Explained tutorial. I am so excited to see all the foods included in Squid Game Season 2. Oh, hi everyone, this is Helen and welcome to Modern Pepper's vlog series where we discuss Korean foods, ingredients, and more. Hi everyone, this is Helen and welcome to Modern Pepper. Okay, so to make our instant iced coffee, I'm gonna add 1, 2, 3 sticks. And to this, I'm gonna add just enough water to melt it. So probably a little over 3 ounces. And then just stir to dissolve everything. Oh, if you like it strong, this is so good too. And after this, I'm gonna show you how to make affogato with vanilla ice cream using this. So don't go anywhere. Now you could wait for this to come to room temperature, but you know, I can't wait. I need my iced coffee right now, pronto. Oh, does that look good? It's like a dessert drink. And then just mix it. Just because you want to make everything pretty, I want you to pour this into a pretty cup like that. It's like a treat to yourself. Look at that. It's summertime, which means iced coffee all day and every afternoon, right? Ooh, forget going to Starbucks or Pizza or wherever. So good. And it's at a fraction of the cost of what you would pay at one of those coffee places that we all go and spend way too much money, right? Try this at home. And onto our dessert. So to make our vanilla ice cream affogato, I'm gonna add 1 sleeve. And to this, I'm just gonna add probably less than 2 ounces of hot water, just enough to melt our instant coffee powder mix. And then I want you to wait and bring this to room temperature or put it in your freezer to cool it down. And then once it's cool enough, there you go, your happy place dessert at home. And we're gonna take a little bit of our instant coffee mix and just sprinkle it on top like that. You know, extra caffeine. Let's go in with a spoon. Oh yeah. If I could feed you, I would. You know this is gonna be so good. Look, look, look. You know it's gonna be good. Afternoon delight. Afternoon delight. Doesn't have to be summer to enjoy some ice cream, you know, now and then. Brain freeze, totally worth it. And then you go. It's a dessert in a cup, you know? Here is our bonus recipe, slushy coffee drink. We need 6 of these Maxim instant coffee packets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is pretty full. We're just gonna slowly add less than 3 ounces. So we're just gonna fill it to the top like this. And we just wanna basically melt our powder. And we're just gonna add a little bit more of hot water. And I just want you to stir it to melt our instant coffee powder mix. Then I want you to wait and bring this to room temperature. Here I have 1 cup of crushed ice, and we're gonna add the ice to a blender. And our thick coffee has come to room temperature, and we're just gonna pour it in here. And then we're gonna blend this at low speed for about 60 seconds. Ooh, almost to the top. And I'm gonna grab a little bit of our instant coffee mix. Place a little bit of it on top like that. And here we have it. Yeah, save that money and make this at home. Probably far less calories than the macchiato, frappuccino drinks at Starbucks or wherever you buy your slushy iced coffee drink. All right, so I want to show you how thick this is. So it's like a dessert. It is practically like less than $1 maybe to make this. And we have a taste with you. I was gonna blow on this. I don't like my coffee sweet, so if you like your iced coffee like on the sweet side, you need to add more sugar when you mix it up with the hot water. So I like my iced coffee just slightly sweet, so for me this is perfect. And I want to make it absolutely clear, Maxim or anyone else, nobody's sponsoring me. This is my honest opinion of this product that I'm sharing with you. Hopefully one day I'll get sponsored. Wait, don't go anywhere. I want you to go to youtube.com/modernpepper, click on that playlist tab, scroll down and you'll see the vlog series. So you could check out my other vlog series on Korean ingredients, food and more. I want to thank you so much for watching today, and if you enjoyed today's vlog, I want to kindly ask you to click on that thumbs up icon. Doing so supports my channel tremendously, so I want to thank you in advance and subscribe if you haven't done so. 여러분 오늘 재밌게 보셨으면 꼭 좋아하는 버튼과 구독 버튼도 꼭 눌러주세요. 감사합니다. 다음 비디오에서 꼭 뵙겠습니다. Alright folks, I will see you in one of the videos you see right here. 안녕하세요. So in a don't go anywhere. I mean, we added 60, I mean,